Day in the life of a residential construction worker slash hockey trick specialist. These mech room trays were looking super dirty, so we had to hop in there with the dry vac and vacuum out any dust, dirt, or debris. But we also had to make sure we wiped down the appliances as well, that including the water heater and furnace from anything such as drywall and dust as well. And then it was lunchtime, I had to make sure I got a quick stretch in since I do have a bad wrist, so doing these tricks do make it a little bit harder when it's stiff. And then it was time to get the hands activated, warm them up just a little bit, just some quick touches, nothing too crazy. I was trying to think of what trick or move to do, so I decided to do a Michigan cradle to a front roll, to between the legs roll, to a reverse scoop, reverse catch, flex roll. Came out super smooth as well. And then it was time to pack everything back up and head back to work. Subscribe and like to see what the next day has for me.